In this video, you'll learn how to delete a WordPress site from your Bluehost account step by step. We'll go through the process together so you know exactly where to click, what each section means, and what to watch out for before you remove a site permanently. First, make sure you're signed in to your Bluehost portal in your web browser. This is your main dashboard where all your websites and hosting tools are managed. Once you're logged in and you're on the home screen of your Bluehost account, we're ready to begin. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical menu. Look for the option labeled Websites. Go ahead and click on Websites. This section lists all the WordPress sites and other websites currently connected to your Bluehost account. You should now see a grid or list of your sites. Find the specific site you want to delete. Take a moment here to double check that you're choosing the correct website, especially if you manage multiple domains or test sites. When you're sure you've selected the right one, look for the Manage button next to that site and click it. Clicking Manage will open the management area for that particular WordPress installation. At the top of this page, you'll see a horizontal menu with several tabs or sections. Look for the tab labeled Advanced. This area contains more in-depth tools and settings, including the option to remove the site. Click on the Advanced tab. Once you're in the Advanced section, scroll down the page until you reach a section labeled Site Management. This is where Bluehost groups together important controls that affect the overall status of your site. Scroll carefully so you don't miss it. Within the site management section, look for an option that says delete site permanently or something very close to that wording. This is the control that will completely remove your WordPress site from Bluehost. You should see a button nearby that says delete website. Before you click it, take a moment to think about whether you need anything from the site, such as content, media files, or settings. If there's even a small chance you'll want to restore it later, consider creating a backup or exporting your content first, because this process is designed to be permanent. When you're ready and you've confirmed it's the correct site, click the Delete Website button. Bluehost may ask you to confirm this action with a pop-up or an additional prompt. Carefully read the message so you understand that the deletion cannot be undone from within the dashboard, then confirm that you want to proceed. After confirmation, Bluehost will begin removing the site from your account. This may take a short moment, but once it's complete, that WordPress site will no longer appear in your websites list, and its files and associated installation will be deleted from your hosting. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a WordPress site from your Bluehost account by going through the portal, opening the websites section, managing the correct site, navigating to the Advanced tab, and using the site management area to permanently remove it.